If you are unable to connect to Diablo 4, then it's possible that game server is down or it's affected by the technical glitch, and if you landed on this video, then it's highly possible that you want to learn how to check Diablo 4 server status, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Players who want to quickly and easily check a possible server outage for Diablo 4 should head to the official Diablo X account. Usually they share their game promotional offers and game updates, but sometimes they share updates about server problems or upcoming maintenance as well. Before we move forward, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating similar videos. Another reliable source to check Diablo 4 server status is Down Detector. The website offers real-time overview of issues and outages with all kind of services. The website has a dedicated page for Diablo 4 as well. If you see users reporting spiking for Diablo 4 on Down Detector, then it's likely that servers are down for most of the players and not just you. So in this situation, all you can do is wait. Let's move on to another method. Sometimes Blizzard take the Diablo 4 server down to deploy bigger updates or general maintenance. During that time period, you will not be able to play the game and face connection issues. Usually the company report about these type of changes on dedicated support page, so you can visit there to check Diablo 4 server status. Apart from this, if there is no sign of server outage listed on any of the resources that I have covered so far, then check the error code during the server outage, as these codes also gives clear idea behind what causing the issue. Diablo 4 servers are relatively stable, but error reports still occur, and because the title is such a massive hit, server issues like this are commonplace, particularly after a new update goes live or a new season begins. So these are possible ways to check Diablo 4 server status. That's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel for getting notification about when we upload new videos. Also donate by clicking the thanks button below, as this encourages us to create similar videos. Thanks for watching.